I want to show you how to make a times table project in Python. So let's get started. So first what you want to do is create a new variable, call it user underscore input. I said equal to input. Then you want to type in quotes. Then you want to type in please enter a number for times tables, and then a colon. And this one's very important. You want to add a space at the end. Now you want to check if the user input dot is numeric. Then you want to do for I in range, and I think I'm going to go ahead until 10. For the last one, it's going to be times 10. So first do 1, and for your last index, what you want to do is type the last number, the last times table number you want plus 1. So in this case, I'm doing 10, so I should type in 11. Then if I do colon, and now if I do for I in range 1 to 11, now what we can do is before the for loop, what you want to do is create a number variable instead of equal to int of the user input. There we go. Now what we can do is we can create an answer variable equals, and then we can do, don't create a, or you know what, create an answer equals number times I. And now what you can do is print an F string. Then what you can do is do curly braces I space times space number space equals answer. And now what you can do is the else part of this if right here. Else what you can do is we can print please enter valid number. Now if I open a new terminal window, we want to copy the actual path. Open a new terminal window.
iTerm opened.
And now if I type in Python 3, now I'm going to paste that. I'll do something like 11. We got that pretty good. Let me try 10. Okay, so that is working perfectly. So that is it for this video. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon on the top right corner. Bye.